I hope you're remembering this picture. Let me see if I can pick this picture up. Pick this picture up for you. Wait a minute. Let me try to pick this picture up for you. This is going to help me tell you what is the function and what is the relation. What is the difference? Wait. Let me go down. Let me now introduce you to the word function. From the word relation, you will come to know. First, you will know set, then you will know relation, and then you will know function. The problem is that in first semester they are teaching you limit continuity of function, and in the second semester they are continue teaching you sets and relation and function. Something really just I can't make it. So this is what I am writing. Let me pick it here and bring it here. Let me make it look little better. Yes, here it is. Now you can see, let me rub off all those parts that are not necessary. Now let me rub this part came by copy. Wait, now all I'll see. Now this x coordinate is going to many of the y coordinate. This x coordinate is left alone. This x coordinate is left alone. This is that x coordinate left alone. These are relations. Undoubtedly, I told you all functions are relation, but they are not functions. Because for function, see, for function, let me write down. One many is not possible. This is one many. This is one is going to many. I think I rubbed it. By mistake, I rubbed it. Wait. I rubbed it. Yes, one many. One many is not possible. Not possible. And the problem is this, the domain cannot remain unmapped. This domain is not getting mapping anywhere. It is not getting mapped. देखो यहाँ पे एक अधिक पे जा रहा है ना, ये फंक्शन नहीं बनेगा, किसी भी हालत में नहीं बनेगा। ये एक देखो किधर जा रहा है, इधर जा रहा है, इधर जा रहा है, एक एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट का दुनिया भर का वाई कोऑर्डिनेट है। मैं लिख के दिखाता हूँ। For one x coordinate, for this single x coordinate, you have this y1, this is y1, you have this x coordinate, you have this now y2. For that very x coordinate, you have y3. So you have more than one. For single x, you have more than one y coordinate. That is one many. मतलब एक x के लिए एक से अधिक y कोऑर्डिनेट मिल रहा है, जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो ये फंक्शन नहीं बनेगा। और यहाँ पे डोमेन में, वेट अ मिनट, इन दिस डोमेन, हाँ, लेट मी राइट, in domain, rather I should say domain, all elements of the domain should be mapped. Wait, all elements of the domain should be mapped. All elements of the domain should be mapped. Should be mapped. मतलब ये खाली पड़ा हुआ है ना, इसका कोई y कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं है। इसका तो ऐसे भी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि इसका ये मेनी वन हो चुका है। इसका क्या है, इस x कोऑर्डिनेट का कोई y कोऑर्डिनेट नहीं है। दिस x कोऑर्डिनेट, this is the x coordinate, there is no y coordinate, so this is also not a function. Now see, I'll show you some important concepts on function, and then let's see whether we can finish it off. See, I'm talking about functions. Now see, let's see this one. You know, now this is the domain, this is the codomain. Now this is another one I'm making, and this is, see, everyone is going to everyone. See, this is 1, 1, 1 is going to 1 only, 1 is going to 1, and this is 1, 1 onto. Why onto? Onto because nothing, but every pre-image, every element in the, that is every element in codomain has a pre-image, has pre-image. That is, this element has a pre-image, this element has a pre-image, this element has a pre-image, this, मतलब इसका सबका एक एक इमेज है, pre-image है। और यहाँ पे देखो, this is, and this element, this element, this element, this element, this, ये 1 1 तो जरूर है, 1 1 तो ये जरूर है, because every element is mapped. इस एलिमेंट का यहाँ पे इमेज है, इस एलिमेंट का यहाँ पे इमेज है, इस एलिमेंट का ये कहाँ पे इमेज है, this element has an image here, this element has an image here, this element has an image here. This is 1 1 undoubtedly, but not onto. Don't write into, but not onto, because this cross here doesn't have a pre-image, but not onto as one, as wait a minute, as one element. This is domain and this is codomain. As one element, as one element, at least one element, I should write at least, as not onto as at least. यहाँ पे तो एक ही दिखा, एक से ज्यादा भी हो सकता है. At least one element in CD doesn't have doesn't have pre-image, doesn't have pre-image, pre-image. Now this is the most important point. Now these were one on onto function. These were one and onto function. Now let's talk about these two. This is my domain. This is my codomain. This is my domain. This is my codomain. Now see, many are going to one. Many are going to one, and this is mapped to here. This is one. This one is going to this one. This one is going to this one. This one is going to this one. This is many one onto function onto, and this is many. Wait, I let me draw this. This is going to this place, but one is left here. Many one not onto function, not onto function. This is many one onto function, and because many are going to one, see, one cannot go to many. That means for a different x, you can have the same y. Oh, wait a minute. Let me have this y same x2. Wait a minute. For x2, you can have same y. For x3, you can have same y. These are, if this is the way of writing, then it is a function. They are all functions, means they are all relations. Now, how to check 1 and onto? How to check 1 and onto? That is also a very important concept that needs to be discussed. To check 1, the first definition is fx1 is equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2. This is the method 1, and the method 2 is x1 equal to x2 implies fx1 equal to fx2. And for never do this. This is for well defined. This is for well check well defined. If you write like this, sorry, not equal to, I made a mistake. X1 equal not equal to x2 implies fx1 not equal to x2. Let me repeat to check 1. For first method is fx1 equal to fx2 implies x1 equal to x2. X1 not equal to x2 implies fx1 not equal to fx2. For well defined, I just wrote it. This is the way. Fx1 is giving me fx2. This is for well defined. Don't use it for checking 1. This is not in, no. Now, how to check onto? How to check onto? To check onto. Check onto. For all y, this is the symbol for all. This means for all. For all y belonging to codomain, there should exist an x pre-image x belonging to domain such that f of x is always y. This is the definition to check onto. To check onto. Now I'm going to tell you. Now you will see why I told you about countability. Why did I tell you about countability and all that? I'll tell you right now. You will see. Why did I tell you about all this countability and uncountable, infinite, and all this stuff? Why did I tell you? Now this is where things come into play. So now you will see. Now you will see how to see whether a function, whether it is a function or not graphically. Graphically, I'm telling, suppose I have this x-axis and y-axis. For the same value of x, suppose I have a function going like this. No, this isn't a function, because for the same value of x, I have so many values of this c. For this is, wait, I made a mistake. Yes, I'm right. This isn't a function. This isn't a function. Now, see, because for the same x you have different y, and I told you, yes, I told you here, you see, in many one function for different x I should have same y. For different x, I should have same y, and here for the same x I'm having different values of y. So this is not a function. This curve is not a function. This curve is not a function. Not a function. Next, how to check one one graphically. How to check one graphically? See, if this is, I'm checking, this is not a function, not, I've written here, not a function, no problem. Now, let me check whether the graph is 1, 1 or not. I'm checking 1, 1 graphically. Suppose my graph goes like this. My graph goes like this, suppose, from here to here. And any line parallel to the x-axis should cut at most once. Here it is cutting once. This is one. This is one. Let me, I'm taking this x to the positive x-axis and the positive y-axis. I'm taking e to the power of x type of a graph in positive x and positive y. That means I'm taking only the positive numbers this side and the positive. I'm not taking this side and this side. So this is a 1, 1 function because a curve, the straight line parallel to the x-axis is cutting this curve only once. So if this is, so let me write a function from A to B. The A is the domain and B, this is the domain and this is the codomain. A to B is 1, 1, is 1, 1. If the line parallel to the x-axis, this is the line parallel to the x-axis. Let me write it down. Let me write it down how to check 1, 1. 1, 1, I'm checking 1, 1 here graphically. Parallel to the x-axis, 1, 1, f is 1, 1, f, line passing a line, any line. Let me write any line. Let me write any line. Any line, any line, any line passing parallel to the x-axis, x-axis cuts the graph, this graph, cuts the graph at most once. That is either never or only one time. At most, cuts the graph at most once. Once. That is either money. I mean to say, either it doesn't cut or it cuts at least exactly once. Either it does not cross the graph, it does not cross the graph, or just crosses it only once, or just crosses it only once. This is the thing. Suppose मतलब कहने का मतलब ये है, एक मिनट, 1, 1 हम ऐसे चेक करते ग्राफिकली, अगर कोई ग्राफ हमने बनाया और उसके लाइन पैरेलल कोई लाइन हमने बनाया इधर इधर, मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव एक्स लिया है, पॉजिटिव वाई लिया है e टू द पावर एक्स के ग्राफ के लिए, तो हर लाइन इस ग्राफ को एक ही जगह पे काट रहा है। मैंने गलत ले लिया, एक सेकंड, ये कोई ग्राफ है e टू द पावर एक्स नहीं, सॉरी, मैं इस ग्राफ का नाम चेंज कर देता हूँ। लेट मी राइट एक्स स्क्वायर, पॉजिटिव पार्ट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, सिर्फ एक्स स्क्वायर ले रहा हूँ, जहाँ पे मैं फंक्शन ले रहा हूँ f फ्रॉम r प्लस टू r प्लस, मैं ऐसे ले रहा हूँ, मैं सिर्फ पॉजिटिव पार्ट ऑफ द पैराबोला ले रहा हूँ, पॉजिटिव पार्ट ऑफ द पैराबोला, सॉरी e टू द पावर एक्स नहीं। सो पासिंग पैरेलल टू द एक्स एक्सिस, अगर पैरेलल टू द एक्स एक्सिस लाइन खींचा जाए एक्स के पैरेलल और वो ग्राफ को एक ही बार काटे, या तो एक बार ही काटे या बिल्कुल ही ना काटे, तो फिर हम उसको बोलते हैं 1, 1 फंक्शन। नाउ ऑन टू फंक्शन, ग्राफिकली ऑन टू फंक्शन, देखते हैं। देखो ऑन टू फंक्शन ग्राफिकली, ऑन टू फंक्शन ग्राफिकली। देखो ऑन टू तब हम बोलेंगे जब लाइन पासिंग जो होगा, एक सेकेंड, अच्छा अब है, हाँ, हम करेंगे एक ग्राफ लेंगे, हम बोलेंगे फंक्शन है ए टू बी पे जा रहा है, ए क्या है मेरा डोमेन, दिस इज माय डोमेन, देन दिस इज माय कोडोमेन, and is on to, the function is on to if and only if and only if any line parallel to the x axis cuts the graph at least once, एक बार तो कटना ही चाहिए ग्राफ at least once। वहां पे एटमोस्ट था, यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट है, वहां पे एक बार भी ना काटे या काटे तो सिर्फ एक बार काटे, यहाँ पे एक बार तो काटना ही चाहिए, एक से अधिक बार भी काट सकता है। दिस इज द थिंग बेसिकली। नाउ द थिंग इज दिस, आप देखो, अब नाउ वी विल ट्राई टू सी नंबर ऑफ वन वन फंक्शन एंड नंबर ऑफ ऑन टू फंक्शन, हम कैसे इसको निकालेंगे। How to find number of one function and onto function. Suppose this is my A and this is my B. This is A and this is my B, and this is the number of functions. See, A is how much? A is my N, B is my M, cardinality of B, number of one function, number of yes, number of the total number of function पहले तो बता देते, the total number of function, total, wait a minute, total number of functions, total number of functions, that is nothing but cardinality of codomain, cardinality of B to the power of cardinality of A. That means I'm talking about m to the power of n. That's what I mean to say. M to the power of n is the total number of functions. Now, total number of functions. Now, total number of one function. Remember, total number of one function. One function is possible only if cardinality of A is less than cardinality of B. This is only possible, otherwise not possible. Less than or equal to, that's all. So the total number is only possible of one function is possible if the cardinality of A is less than cardinality of B, and this is your around cardinality of B. It is easier to remember. Cardinality of B, permutation cardinality of A. This is this way. This is this way. This is cardinality of B to the B. That means this is, what was B? B was M, where M is greater than n. M by n. That is nothing but m factorial upon m minus n factorial. That many functions. And factorials are, as let me tell you, some students wouldn't have met. 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is again 1, 2 factorial is 2 into 3, 4 factorial is 4 into 3 factorial, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. This is the way you find factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, and this is 6. That much it is. This is your how to find factorial. Suppose you have 5 and 6 values, you can now do it. I'll do one example. Let me say, suppose cardinality of B is 5, M is 5, and N is 4. So 5P4, that is nothing but 5 factorial. Let me take some smaller number. Wait. Let me take this as 2. Then only you will understand what I am trying to say. This is 2. So 5P2, that means 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial. That is nothing but 5 factorial by 3 factorial. This is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 factorial by 3 factorial. That means 21 functions. 21 functions. Now onto functions, and this is only possible if it is the other way around. No onto function is possible. Only if I told it's possible. Only if, let me write right here. Only if. Wait. Only if. Only if, then only, otherwise there is no one function. Now onto function is the other way around. Total number total number of onto function is possible is possible is possible if only only if sorry only if only if cardinality of A is greater than or equal to cardinality of B. That means that means m n is greater than m, greater than or equal to m, and this is nothing but I will give you the longer formula first, and then I'll give you the shortcut. See, m to the power of n minus bracket you start summation r equal to 1 to m minus 1 to the power of r plus 1 m mcr mcr and then m minus r m wait a minute m minus r to the power of n. Let me recheck. This is the part of it, and this is the formula. Wait, let me bring down the formula a little bit down. Otherwise, you people will confuse it. Wait, let me bring it little down. Yes, now it's okay. Now, or you can do one thing. I can tell you a shortcut. See, do one thing. Cardinality, right? Let me write down. This also does the job. Either you use this formula, this is easier. Cardinality of A C2 into cardinality of B factorial. This will give you also the correct answer. I'm telling you this way. See, I'm telling you this way. What is cardinality of n? NC2. NC2 into cardinal m factorial. M factorial. This will also give NC2 is nothing but n minus 1 upon 2 factorial. 2 factorial is 2. So into this will give me into m factorial. This also will give me the correct answer. So this will be the number of onto functions. This will give me the number of onto functions. Now I will talk about composition of functions. See, composition of function. Suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is FOG. So that means first you have G. So first the G is going from here to here, then F is going from here to here. And this is well defined. This is possible only if range of G is subset of domain of F. This is only possible. That is, see, this is the domain of G. This portion is domain of G. This portion is the range of G, and this is also the domain of F. The range of G must be less than the domain of F to come to this point. The whole thing comes like this, in this manner, and this is FOG, where the domain of FOG is A, and domain of the range of FOG is C. That is what it is. That is, this is possible. Let me write FOG is possible. This is very important concept. If the domain of range of G is the domain of F. Now the part is, why did I now similarly for GOF that you can do, just write the opposite way. The range of F is subset of domain of G, and the rest all is same. Now the thing is this, why did I talk about uncountable and countable? See, I can always give you, let me draw a line. I can always give you, wait, something happened, just a minute, wait, yes. Now I can give you a guarantee. I can guarantee of guarantee of oh sorry See, of not 1 1, not 1 1, and not onto can be given, not onto. Okay, I think I made a spelling mistake. Wait, let me write it this way. Not 1 1 and onto function can be decided. Not 1 1 guarantee of not 1 1 and onto function can be given. Not 1 1 and not onto. See, let me tell you, give you an example first. Let me take from n to n. This has the same cardinality alif naught. This has the same cardinality alif naught. I take a function fx. I write x square. So fx1, I know, told you how to check 1 1. I'm checking 1 1. 1 1. Fx1 equal to fx2. X1 square equal to x2 square. So x1 is x2. Do not write plus minus 1 because you do not have minus numbers in natural number in the in this domain. This is the domain and this is the codomain. In the domain side, you do not have my minus number. So this is 1 1. Let us see if it is onto or not. Checking onto for this very function. Now onto you write y equal to x square. X comes out to be under root of y. You take any number from codomain. You take any number from codomain. Y belonging to natural number, that is codomain. You take any number. Say y equal to 2. So under root of 2. So x is becomes under root of 2 because of this. But this x belongs to natural number, does not belong to, does not belong to natural number, which is in the domain side. So not onto. So not onto. So not onto. So not onto. Now see here. Now I will do one thing. What I will do is that I will take another example. See, now here I will take one example. I take from natural number to real number. So I can say onto function is not possible because f is not onto, because I can take the guarantee. Onto function is not possible. F is, oh sorry, f is not onto, I have to write. F is not onto as, not onto as cardinality of R is greater than cardinality of N, as this is C and this is alif naught. Alif naught. So onto function is not possible. Whatever function you take, what type of function you take, onto is never possible. You take fx, you take fx, and you write, take x square. See, in this type of function, see, in this type of function, I'm checking 1 1. I'm checking 1 1. X1 square equal to x2 square. So x1 equal to x2, because this x1 x2 belongs to this natural number in the domain. So this is what, this is 1 1. There is no doubt. Let me see another function of this form. If this I don't have to check onto, this because of this I do not have to check, only I can write this line and leave it off. मैं बस इतना लिख के छोड़ सकता हूँ कि ऑन टू नहीं है, बिकॉज इसकी जो कार्डिनलिटी है जो मैंने पहले बताया था ये इससे ज्यादा है, तो ऑन टू तो होगा ही नहीं. नाउ यू टेक एफ एक्स इक्वल टू, okay, I'll take another problem. Wait, I'll take another example. Suppose I take this. Wait, I take z2 natural numbers. So fx1 I have to take, sorry, if I take function fx equal to say x square. So 1 1 I'm checking 1 1. I'm checking 1 1. So fx1, this fx1 belongs to here actually, and fx2 also belongs to here. So x1 square equal to x2 square. So x1 equal to plus minus x2, because in integers we have plus or minus. So not 1 1. So not 1 1. Let's check on 2 because I cannot say on 2 is not possible because both of them have the same cardinality alif not alif not. To check on 2, I have to write y is equal to x square. X is equal to under root of y. You take any natural number. You take any natural number, take y equal to 7 belonging to n. There does not exist x under root of 7 belonging to, does not belong to, there does not exist x, there does not exist x belonging to natural number, sorry, integers, so it's not on 2 also. So not 1 1, I said not 1 1 in this side. I was checking on 2 here, I was checking 1 1, so not on 2. This is not 1 1 as well as on 2, not on 2. So similarly, you can check. I will see one more example. Let me see if I can manage one more, the last one. If I can manage this, suppose I take from z, no, I will take from, wait a minute, sorry, I will take from, let me take from r to z. Now 1 1 f is never 1 1, never 1 1, never 1 1, never 1 1, as cardinality of r is greater than cardinality of z, that is the domain side, that is, this is c and this is alif naught. So not possible. Earlier what did I say? In the domain, in the codomain, here you see, in the, sorry, here in the codomain, here in the codomain, here in the codomain, the cardinality was more, so onto was not possible. Now here in the domain, here in the domain, the cardinality is r, which is more than that of this z. So never, you need not even check for 1 1. No need to check. Let's check for onto. Fx equal to x square. Now see, I have to check for this function onto. Let me write y equal to x square. Now x comes out to be under root of y. So what I do is that I take any negative number from z. Let me take y equal to minus 5. If I take y equal to minus 5 belonging to z, there does not exist. If you write x equal to under root of minus 5, it comes out to be under root 5 iota, which does not, there does not exist as belonging to r. This does not belong to r basically. That's why I written there does not exist an x इक्वल टू दिस बिलोंगिंग टू आर. ऐसा कोई एक्स मुझे मिलेगा ही नहीं जो आर में रहेगा. सो नॉट ऑन टू, सो नॉट ऑन टू, सो नॉट ऑन टू. नाउ आई कैन चेंज द सेम थिंग. Now see one thing, I will show you one more thing with the same problem. If I change this to from complex number to z, 1 1 is never possible. F is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. First point, because the cardinality of this is more than this. Now check for fx square. Fx equal to x square, whether it is onto or not. Let's check. So you write y equal to, sorry, you write y equal to x square and then you write x equal to under root of y. Now for any y you choose from here, any y you choose, any y, for all y belonging to z, there exists an x belonging to c, because this is a complex number. You take any positive or negative number, you always get that number in c. So onto.